All right, we're in section 5.4, dividing fractions and mixed numbers. It's very similar to multiplying, except I just have one extra step with dividing fractions. In example 1, I'm dividing just fractions, so I've got 5/9 divided by 2/3. Go ahead and write this in your notes. So now what I need to do is I have to flip my second fraction. So instead of 2/3, it now becomes 3/2, and I multiply. Notice that my division sign changes to a multiplication sign once I flip my second fraction. Now that I flip my second fraction, I can cross-reduce and multiply just like I did with multiplying fractions. So 3/9 reduces to 1/3, and I can multiply it out to get 5/6. All right, so now I want you to do a couple. 5/6 divided by 7/9 and 9/2 divided by 3/2. Okay, so 5/6 divided by 7/9, I need to flip my fraction. Did y'all write 9/7? Yes. Okay, very good. Then I can cross-reduce and get 15/14, but that can't be my final answer. 1/14. All right, very good. All right, now my last one, 9/2 divided by 3/2, flip my fraction. Lots of cross-reducing, ends up to be 3. Who got both of those right? Did you get both of them? Awesome, good job, guys. Moving on to example 2 now. In example 2, now we are dividing by whole numbers again. So as soon as you see a whole number, how are you going to write it? As soon as you see a whole number, you're going to write it over 1. So this is 4/5 divided by 2, but I'm going to go ahead and just write it 2/1. Does everybody go with that? You understand why I'm doing that? Okay, so now it's very easy to see that I can flip it to 1/2. Okay, and then I can cross-reduce it. Oh, wait, did I forget to cross-reduce? Yes, I did, but it's okay if you do. If you just overlook it and you forget to cross-reduce, as long as you reduce your answer, you'll still get the correct answer. I'd rather you cross-reduce from the beginning. Sometimes it gives you a nice shortcut, but if you forget, then you should still end up with the correct answer if you reduce at the end. All right, now I want you to do these two on your own. Sorry, there we go. Okay, so again, just write it 3/1, flip that fraction, 1/18. 4/1, flip the fraction, 1/6. Did you get them? Raise your hand if you got them both. All right, awesome. Good job, guys. Okay, now we're going to pass over example 3. I don't really like how it's laid out, and it's not the most important thing to know about this section. So we're going to go ahead and move to example 4. Now, in example 4, just like with multiplying fractions, we're going to divide fractions that are mixed numbers. Here's what I don't want you to do. I don't want you to try to combine your steps because you're going to leave yourself open for making silly mistakes. So the very first step you're going to make is to change these mixed numbers to improper fractions. All right, so go ahead and write that. All right, so now that I have them as improper, I'm going to flip my second fraction, and I'm going to change my operation to multiplication. Now I go from division to multiplication. Do not change to multiplication until you flip that second fraction. I want these as 2 separate steps. One step changing to improper, the next step flipping the second fraction, and now from that you can cross-reduce what you can and solve. And your answer here would be 10/3, and then it would be 3 1/3. Okay? All right, so we've got 4 more, 5, 6, 7, and 8. If you guys do well on these, then we'll call it. All right, so we'll see how you guys do. Go ahead and work on these 4. All right, first one, 3/1, flip my second fraction, cross-reduce, 5.5. Did you get it? 5.5. Second one, write it as a fraction, flip it, and you get 5. That's when cross-reducing can really help because your 12s cancel, and then you're just left with 5. Number 7, 9 4/9. And number 8 is 3 3/5. All right, who got them all? Who got them all? Very good. If you understand that, that's everything you need to know for 5.4.